morning. Best wishes to all students and teachers of Senior High School for Kediri. Ladies and gentlemen, as we know that education is one of the most important things in our life. Nowadays, in the globalization era, the quality of human takes the significant role in the world. Moreover, most of the countries in the world always try to create education for increasing their human quality. In Indonesia, to increase human quality, the government has the program which is called Wajar Dikdas 9 years. It means all of the children in Indonesia should have to continue their learning until 9th grade. However, there are a lot of parents do not know about the program. Besides that, the most crucial thing of this problem is the mindset of Indonesian people. Most of them think that education is not really important for their children's life, especially people that live in the village. Ladies and gentlemen, to change the mind of people is not easy. It needs hard work from all of the elements in our country, especially from the government and the society. The parents should understand the importance of the education. It is real that education can make our future better. Because of that, at this time I really appreciate all of the parents who give us opportunity to change our future. As a conclusion, I sincerely that this event can give a lot of contribution for our spirit to get knowledge and to bright our future. It is very difficult. We just remember to the wise word, when there is a will, there is a way. I think it's enough from me, and thank you very much.